Hey guys, now we're down at the Ritz Carlton Grand Cayman. There it is. I think again it's one of the, well, hey, check out their ratings on TripAdvisor if you guys want. But I've seen where on YouTube where they were one of the ranked, don't remember what year, ranked as one of the top resorts, Ritz Carlton resorts in the world. So just to show you a little bit of the, this is like the back, not at all at the front. This is like the back area of their hotel. Just in the back, just in the back. All right, it's the back area of the hotel. So I'm putting my camera up kind of high, of course, to give people a little privacy here. So yeah, this is the back of the hotel. I think it's go high. I think it's gorgeous. There's a play area for children. Let's go over there a little bit. Show you just a little bit of that. So voila, pretty cool. Of course, if you got children, that must be pretty awesome because you know the children, that is so awesome, guys. Look at that. You know, the kids want to be in the water, right? So it's kind of good to keep them in one area. You can lay out in the sun and then watch the kids at the same time. Let's see. Yeah, that's pretty cool. They have a basketball court for children, play with your kids. That's so awesome. That's so awesome, guys. So again, this is the back of the hotel. So if you're looking things to do, look at those beautiful coconut trees. Now for some coconut water. Yeah, if you're looking for things to do for the children, and you know, if you went to the beach, went to Stingray City, went to the Hell, went to Turtle Farm, went to Pedro St. James, went to Botanical Gardens, and then just want to hang out at the hotel for the day for them. Oh, then look at this also too. That is pretty cool. It's called Ambassadors of the Environment. That's pretty cool too. Apparently, they focus a lot on teaching, taking care of the environment. That's a pretty cool thing to do too. And again, here's the parking lot. And again, we're at the back of the hotel, but I really look at it as one of the best, and one of the ratings I saw was one of the best Ritz Carltons in the world. Yeah.